Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. Today we'll discuss about the rules required to set up and work on sales document workflow scenarios. So basically several roles are comes inbuilt in our user profile in SAP S4 Hana system. But specifically if you speak about sales document approvals, then these four roles are required for sure. The first one is that SAP SAP underscore BR underscore BPC underscore expert. So this is used to configuration expert and business process configuration. And the second one is that SAP underscore BR underscore business underscore process underscore SP is spec. This is business process specialist. So these two roles, SAP BR BPC expert and SAP BR business process spec, these two roles are required to set up this entire workflow scenarios. Right, so we discussed about the event linkage to that workflow scenarios IDs, right? And performing the standard settings. Right, so those activities should be performed whenever we have these rules in our profile. Right, and the next two are SAP underscore BR underscore internal sales rep. So this is the sales rep role which is used to perform day-to-day activities in SAP SD point of view. So this is nothing but internal sales representative. And the next one is the sales manager. That is SAP underscore BR underscore sales underscore manager. So these two, SAP BR internal sales rep and SAP BR sales manager, will be used to set up the workflows. Like we need to access the app like manage sales document, right? And my inbox app and the manage teams and responsibilities. So in order to access these apps, we need this access now. And if you speak about the apps, so we are using manage team and responsibility. And second one is that manage inbox, sorry, my inbox. Third one is that manage sales document, workflow. And the last one is that custom fields and logic. So remember these four apps in order to set up the workflow scenarios, and we should have these four rules. As a functional consultant, these two roles will be enough to do that approve request reasons, creating the new reason for rejection code, and configuring the start conditions in the minor sales document workflow app. Right. So for this, we just need this two only. The remaining two will be used to maintain the high level configurations, the setup, the customizing should be done, the event linkaging, activating the service IDs, and we need to activate the word services as well, right? Those should be done with help of the above two apps, sorry, roles. And these are the four apps that we will be using in case of workflows. That's it from this video, friends. We can catch up in the next video. Bye for now.